Hey guys, if you've had a delayed flight, and on top of that, faced issues with your luggage, you might be entitled to compensation. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of how to claim compensation step by step, specifically when your luggage is delayed, damaged, or even lost. You may not know this, but European law, EC 261, and many other countries' laws protect passengers in such cases. If your flight was delayed by more than 3 hours, or your luggage arrived late or was lost, you could be compensated for the inconvenience. Airlines are required to compensate passengers for these types of issues, but many people don't even know they are entitled to money back. That's why it's important to act fast and file a claim properly. I'll make it easier for you. There's a great service called Compensaire that simplifies the process. You don't have to go through all the paperwork on your own. Compensaire does it for you. It's a super easy and efficient service. Just follow the link in the description to start your claim right now and see if you're eligible for compensation for your delayed flight or luggage problems. The claim process can be tricky, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it. First, you'll need to gather all the necessary documentation, like your boarding pass, luggage tags, and any communication with the airline about your delayed or lost baggage. Once you have these, you can file your claim either directly with the airline or use a service like Compensaire, which handles everything for you, ensuring the highest chance of success. When submitting your claim, remember that airlines may ask for proof of expenses due to the luggage delay, like clothes or toiletries you had to buy while waiting for your luggage. Be sure to keep those receipts. You don't want to miss out on the compensation you're entitled to. If the airline refuses to cooperate, don't give up. Services like Compensaire can even escalate your claim to legal action if necessary, all without any upfront cost to you. Just remember to follow the link in the description to get started with Compensaire and make the process hassle-free. Alright, guys, that's all you need to know about claiming compensation for delayed flights and luggage problems. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and smash the like button.